Hello and welcome everybody. This is the ownership review of a Hyundai Eon. This car has been discontinued right now, but back at the time, this car was a very nice car. It's a 2013 model. Alright, let me show you the car. April 2013 to be precise. And it's been around 8 to 9 years now. And this is the condition of the car, as you can see. I've done denting and painting a few times, but not any major. A couple of times, 2 or 3 times, and there are still 2 dents over here which I need to fix. And this is an 8-year-old, 9-year-old running car. And let me share the experience with you with this car. It's been a very wonderful experience. I haven't had any major breakdowns in all these years in this car. Now let me show you the interiors. And this is the interior of this car. Still looks very nice and intact, everything. The colors on the steering panel have faded a little bit over here and over here, as you can see, and the rest of the panels are all in showroom condition. Alright, as you can see, all the doors, and on the odo you can see it's 82,755 kilometers. Alright, so now regarding the experience with this car for all these miles, 82,755 kilometers. Alright, so it's been a wonderful experience so far. I haven't had any breakdowns, nothing, no trouble wherever I went. Tires I've changed once. Let me show you the engine bay. In all these 8 years, I haven't changed the batteries yet. This battery has been running since 2013 with this car. I haven't had any kind of issue with engine or clutch plates. I haven't changed the clutch plates. All I have changed in this car are the bearings on all the wheels. Alright, the bearings, and what I need to change now is the suspension. As you can see, I have driven this car almost 83,000 kilometers. So now the suspensions are very weak. I've changed the arms also on both the sides, on front, and nothing else. The brakes, the coolant, everything is working fine. The radiator, haven't had any issue till now. Alright, all the lights are working perfectly fine. As I told you already, I haven't changed the batteries yet. And let me show you the boot in this car. It's quite spacious. Here's the boot. It's the tray. And the boot is quite big for a car this size, you see. This one is a top spec variant, sports, Silguri registered. And this is my review, ownership review, long-term ownership review of my car. I've kept a spare brake pad in emergency case. It's a second hand, but still it can do around 500 to 600 kilometers more. So the space in the back is quite good compared to other vehicles in this segment. So there we go, guys. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe, guys. That will be very nice. Thanks.